I'm about to show you how you can enable the website searching on Claude AI. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, by turning on this feature, you can access to website searching, so you can get real-time information, you can get smarter and more accurate responses. And this is perfect because instead of wasting tons of hours doing the research online, this AI can do it for you in just some seconds. So for any task in general, I would recommend you to enable this option. All you need to do is log in into Claude AI, then go to Search and Tools, this icon right here, and you will see the option to web search. So you might have it disabled. You just need to click right there, and now you will have the web search enabled. If you can't see this option, this is probably because you are using a free plan, so you will need to purchase at least the Pro plan, which is the cheaper one. So now I could, for example, ask for a resume of a random book, and Claudia will search on different sources on the internet and will give me a very accurate response. So that's it. As you can see, the AI will start writing this resume. You can, of course, enter a more detailed prompt if you want something different, but that's just a simple example of what this feature can do. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.